Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between operating income and EBIT. Both are important profitability measures used in financial analysis, but they differ in scope, components included, and the way they measure a company's earnings. Understanding these differences helps investors, managers, and students analyze business performance more accurately. Number 1. Operating income refers to the profit earned from core business operations, whereas EBIT refers to earnings before interest and taxes. Number 2. Operating income focuses on operational efficiency, whereas EBIT focuses on overall profitability before financing and tax expenses. Number 3. Operating income is calculated as revenue minus operating expenses, whereas EBIT may also include certain non-operating income items. Number 4. Operating income excludes non-operating income, whereas EBIT can include non-operating income depending on reporting practices. Number 5. Operating income does not consider investment-related earnings, whereas EBIT may include income generated from investments and other activities. Number 6. Operating income ignores interest expenses because they are financing costs, whereas EBIT is specifically measured before deducting interest expenses. Number 7. Operating income excludes tax expenses, whereas EBIT is also calculated before taxes are deducted. Number 8. Operating income generally appears before non-operating income in the income statement, whereas EBIT appears before interest and tax expenses. Number 9. Operating income is used to measure the profitability of core operations, whereas EBIT measures profitability from both operating and certain non-operating activities. Number 10. Operating income has a narrower scope because it focuses only on primary business activities, whereas EBIT has a broader scope because it may include additional income sources. Number 11. Operating income is commonly used to evaluate operational performance, whereas EBIT is often used to assess a company's overall earnings power. Number 12. Operating income helps investors understand how efficiently the business is managed, whereas EBIT helps investors evaluate profitability before capital structure and taxation effects. Number 13. Operating income is generally unaffected by investment income, whereas EBIT can be influenced by investment-related earnings. Number 14. Operating income is not affected by financing decisions, whereas EBIT also excludes financing costs, but may reflect other non-operating activities. Number 15. Operating income provides greater consistency across companies because it excludes non-operating items, whereas EBIT may vary more because of differences in non-operating income. Number 16. Operating income is also known as operating profit, whereas EBIT is often referred to as operating earnings or earnings before interest and taxes. To summarize, operating income focuses strictly on profits generated from a company's core business activities, whereas EBIT provides a broader measure of profitability before the effects of financing and taxation. While the two figures are often similar, EBIT may include additional non-operating income that operating income excludes. Therefore, operating income is best for evaluating operational efficiency, while EBIT is useful for assessing overall business profitability. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.